a tablespoon of this mixture daily, and you'll never set foot in a hospital again. With 4 ingredients you have at home, you can create one of the most powerful natural remedies in existence. First, we will need 3 cloves of garlic. Daily consumption of raw garlic not only boosts your immune system, but also helps thin the blood, prevents the hardening of arteries, and protects your brain from degenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. We will also add 3 limes or lemons. The citric acid present in limes and lemons prevents the formation of kidney stones and also acts as a blood purifier, helping our liver to eliminate toxins more quickly. Place the garlic and lime pieces in a container with a lid. Now you should add about 10 tablespoons of olive oil. Olive oil stimulates bile production in the gallbladder, which facilitates fat digestion and improves intestinal transit. Lastly, just add 5 tablespoons of honey. Daily consumption of honey reduces stress and anxiety, lowers cholesterol levels, improves stomach health, and enhances memory. Mix the ingredients well and let it sit for at least 6 hours. How to take it? Take a tablespoon of this mixture every day upon waking on an empty stomach. You will be helping your body stay healthy and toxin-free, digest food better throughout the day, and avoid accumulating fat in the liver. If you liked this recipe, rate it from 1 to 10 in the comments. I wish you a long and healthy life.